Hey babe, I was just browsing online and I came across this amazing dress. It's so gorgeous and I really want it. Can you lend me some money to buy it, please?
Hey love, I know that dress must be really nice, but I've already helped you buy 2 dresses this month. I'm running a bit tight on money right now, so I'm not sure if I can manage it.
Seriously? You've helped me with just 2 dresses, and you can't help me with one more? I thought we were in this together. You must have some money left, come on.
I understand where you're coming from, but things have been a bit tough lately. Bills, rent, and other expenses have taken a toll on my savings. I'm not saying I won't help you, but I need to be careful with my finances too.
It just feels like you don't care about my happiness. This dress means a lot to me, and I thought you'd understand that. I can't believe you're refusing me for such a small favor.
Whoa, hold on. I do care about your happiness, but it's not fair to assume that I don't just because I can't help you with every single thing you want. Our relationship isn't just about money, right?
It's not about every single thing, it's about this one thing that I really want. I thought you'd support my choices, but I guess I was wrong. Maybe you're right, maybe our relationship isn't what I thought it was.
Wait a minute. Are you saying that our relationship is only about money? That hurts, you know. I've always been there for you, through thick and thin. If this is how you feel, then maybe we need to have a serious talk about our priorities.
You just don't get it. It's not about the money itself, it's about you showing that you care about what makes me happy. I thought you'd understand my feelings, but I guess I was mistaken.
I do understand your feelings, but I also have feelings and responsibilities. Relationships are about compromise and understanding each other's situations. If you're willing to break up over a dress, then maybe we need to rethink our entire relationship.
I'm not breaking up over a dress. It's about how you're treating my desires. You're making me feel like they don't matter at all.
Look, I'm sorry if I made you feel that way, but it's important for us to have open communication and respect each other's boundaries. I can't always give you everything you want, but I can promise you that I'm here for you in ways that go beyond material things.
I just wish you could understand how much this dress means to me. It's not just materialistic, it's about feeling valued and cared for.
I understand now, and I'm sorry for not realizing it sooner. Let's figure this out together. Maybe we can come up with a plan to save up for the dress or find a compromise that works for both of us.
That's all I wanted, for you to listen and understand. I appreciate your willingness to work this out. Let's talk about it more and find a solution that doesn't strain either of us financially.
Thank you for being patient with me. Our relationship is about more than just money, and I'm glad we can have a conversation to sort things out. Let's always remember that we're a team, supporting each other through everything.
You're right, and I'm sorry for getting so upset. Let's move forward together and keep strengthening our bond. And about the dress, we'll find a way to make it happen, even if it takes a bit of time.
That's the spirit. Together, we can overcome any challenge. Our love is stronger than any disagreement.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.